Good morning, everyone. I look like Raggedy Ann this morning. I'm still lying in bed. Well, actually I'm in Paddy's bed this morning. He's just gone to work and he's like tucked me into like this little nest. I'm like actually can't move in bed. He does it every morning before he leaves when I stay over, and he like tucks the bedclothes underneath me and I literally cannot move. But anyway guys, happy Vlogmas day 12. Literally I'm like in a cocoon and I just reached out and got my laptop, so it's here beside me. And the video, what day is it? I don't even know what day's vlog it is. I think it's day 9. No, it's day 10. It's exporting. And yeah, so that's basically it. So last night what did we do last night? We watched a movie. Sorry guys. We watched the new Jumanji. What's my necklace? Oh yeah, there it is. I was like, where's that content? Watched the new Jumanji, the one Welcome to the Jungle, because we're going to see the new one in the cinema tonight. I thought we were going to see it last night, but it's actually tonight. And I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I watched the movie last night and I wasn't really loving it. I was like, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. And then we looked up on IMDb and it only got like 6.9, and I was like, that's all it kind of deserves. So we're going to see the new one tonight. And all I really want is nachos. I was like, I just really want nachos, like a whole thing of nachos. Paddy hates nachos and he's like, the smell of them. And I was like, I don't care. They taste so good. He's packing tonight because he's going snowboarding on Saturday. I'm going over to my friend Jenna's house now. And then we're going to go shopping. So that's basically what I'm up to today. Sorry, I'm really like lethargic this morning. I did not sleep at all last night. It was super cold in bed. And then like Paddy was like, why didn't you tell me you were so cold last night? And I was like, because I was hardly going to wake you up at like 4 in the morning and be like, here, will you get me an extra throw? So I slept with a hoodie on last night. And then I realised this morning that the window was open all night because he is always boiling warm. And I'm the one that's always like frozen to death. Yeah, so that's why I was so cold in bed last night. There was a window open, despite the fact it was like 1 degree. I was supposed to be going over to Jenna's at like 11 or half 10, and it's just after 9. Last night I took off the nail polish that I had on because it was chipping, because it was from Penny's and it was crap. I didn't think it'd be so bad. And I did like a little gelish polish. My sister has the UV light because she did nails for ages, so I know how to give myself like just a little polish manicure. I do it on my toes all the time. Like I know about priming it and dehydrating the nail and whatever, so those gels should last until I get my gel extensions. So we're en route. I'm going over to Jenna's and I think we're going to Blanchardstown because it's just the easiest. It's close to her house and it's just so much easier than driving all the way out to Dundrum, and I know we'll get stuck in traffic in Dundrum because Paddy and I went out there last Friday. And we're out there like, and I know Fridays are busy anyway, but like it was like a reasonable hour we're out there and we were stuck in traffic for a while. So I said, here, we'll just go to Blanche because it's close, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm absolutely perishing with the cold this morning, like super cold. And I'm trying to like wrap myself up, so I said I'd wear this teddy jacket because it's just keeps me so much warmer. And I was like, oh, let's put on a little bit of makeup this morning, and now we have like full beat makeup. It always happens, guys, always. Oh god, I hope this car warms up. So I'm gonna do my Christmas shop and finish it all off. I think Jenna and I are probably gonna go for lunch, and then I'm coming back to Paddy's house then whenever I have the keys, so I'll just let myself in whenever I'm done shopping. Actually, do you know what? I need my glasses. I don't know why I haven't thought to put them on. That's so much better. I can actually see. I didn't upload a vlog yesterday because I was just, I don't know, so busy yesterday. It got out of hand, time went on, didn't get the vlog up, but I have it edited. I edited it in bed this morning, so as you would have seen, so that's good to go, and I'm gonna make it live at a reasonable time. And then I can make it live from my phone. And then I had imported all the footage from yesterday's vlog and half edited that. Jesus, saying that word is really, really tough. Oh my god, what is this woman doing on her bike with her child in the middle of the road? Good woman. I'm going back to MAC as well today. I was reading all your recommendations on makeup, on lipsticks rather, to pick up. My hair is a mess today. I just brushed it and threw it back up into a ponytail. Didn't even straighten it or do anything. So a lot of you were saying to get Kinda Sexy, which I don't think I've ever had that lipstick before, so I might pick that one up. And then there was another two. Actually, I'll untwist my seatbelt. I know that drives all you guys crazy. I think that's it, untwisted. Yeah, that's it. Kinda Sexy, Peach Stock, and there was another one. I have them all written down on my phone. Hang on, I can look at my phone because I'm stuck at the train crossing, so we're not moving. It's not against the law to look at my phone while I'm in traffic. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Peach Stock, Viva Glam 2, which I have to buy myself, Creme de Nude, Velvet Teddy, and what was the other one? Kinda Sexy. And then somebody else suggested something else to me that I needed to pick up. I was actually just watching, oh there's the train now, Kathleen Light's new video. She put up and it's called Everyone on Social Media is Fake, and I was listening to it a little bit and oh my god guys, do I agree with what she was saying so much in that video. Like, she's so accurate. Sorry, I'm looking down, I'm just trying to get the recommendations of the lipsticks. She's super accurate in that video. Just talking about basically how social media, especially Instagram, has kind of given everybody this like false sense of reality, and how some people are living and they portray this absolutely wonderful, beautiful life that they're living, and it's giving people this kind of like FOMO or like anxiety over not being good enough in life. And I totally get that. I would say up until the last like year with me with social media, I was like, oh, you know, like in Instagram particularly, I would have been like, oh, you only have X amount of followers, and such and such has more followers, and their content's better, and they upload X, Y, and Z, and I can't upload that, and I don't really feel comfortable wearing those outfits, and they're that, you know, just kind of like different things like that. And it would definitely give you anxiety and feeling kind of like low and like not good enough. And she's talking about that, and she's saying basically in the video as well how she doesn't like to leave her house. That's just the type of person she is, and she doesn't like to go to events, and it's just not her forte, and she feels like if she's not doing those things that she's not good enough and portraying like the type of influencer that she wants to be. And I totally understand that. Like, I don't go to that many events. I was going to an Essence event, but I actually cancelled it. They cancelled it because everyone got the vomiting bug. But I was going to an Essence breakfast event recently. Was brunch, and I go to those like brunchy kind of events unless I'm otherwise not able to go or I'm busy in a particular day. But I prefer those events that are more intimate. You're sitting beside someone, you're talking to that person at your table, or talking to the person across from you. Not that you're forced to talk to each other, but it kind of gives you a setting where you want to speak to the person beside you, across from you, left, right of you, whatever. Whereas I find sometimes when I go to those like open events where it's just a room and you can just walk around and whatever, look at products, that people tend to not bother approaching you, and they don't come up and say hello. And yeah, I know I can do that too, and I do it, but sometimes I feel uncomfortable, like I'm invading somebody's like personal space or like their little group setting or whatever, and I just feel super uncomfortable with it. So Kathleen was like kind of talking about that, and how she was saying like that she doesn't go to these events, so she kind of feels like irrelevant, or like she's not as important when it comes to like being an influential person. And she just said it was giving her awful anxiety and stuff, and like what on earth is life become but, you know, social events, and what clothes you're wearing and who you're associating with. And she said it's just becoming really fake basically. And I would 100,000,000% agree with everything she is saying, and I think that she is so correct in what she's saying, and I really recommend you guys watch that video. And I really admire her for making a video like that, because I know that sometimes when you make videos like that you're always like kind of worried that you're going to get backlash and stuff, but she seems to be getting a ton of support, and no wonder, because she's definitely right in what she's saying. I am gonna love yous and leave yous right now, guys, because I'll talk to yous in a bit. I'm just nearly at Jenna's house, so I'll talk to you soon. I'm here with Jenna and my list and her list. We're shopping. Okay. I have all my Bachelor, and she's trying to decide what she has to do. That's a long list.
I know. I still have to get stuff for Karen and Gail to go with lip kits and Victoria's Secret sprays. It's very difficult.
Oh, Victoria's Secret sprays. Yeah. Okay, well we'll go. Where's that, McCabe?
Yeah. Then I have to get something else for my mom. I have to get Brazil nuts for my nanny. Chocolate ones.
Oh yeah.
They didn't have them in Dublin, so I don't know where I'm gonna find them. And I have to get something else for baby Felix.
There we go, and then we're done. And I've just listed out all the people I have to buy for as well, which is actually not too bad, so we're doing okay.
I'm rethinking this coat right now though, because I'm actually feeling a bit
We're both very Teddy-ish today.
Hug me.
Hug me. The centre looks really nice actually. Look how lovely the centre is with the big Christmas tree
not that
and all
busy,
the lights.
which is good.
Well, it is Thursday afternoon, so, well, Thursday 1:30. So where's our first stop?
We should have walked down the stairs there. We'll take the escalator.
In the escalator down. Where are we going first?
Head back to Mac. We're going to Brown Thomas to trade in our lippies for free lipsticks. Yay! That's what we're about.
Yeah. So Jenna and I are in Mac, and she used to work in Mac, so she knows all the good lipsticks.
I know all the good ones.
All the good ones. So we put out a couple that we want to get here that I was thinking of getting. What ones did we say?
So this is Shrimpton, and it's a nice satin finish. Then we have Cherish, Creme de Nude, and Creme in Yo Coffee.
Which I think looks nice. So
Yo, that's the creme in your coffee there. Oh, I didn't swatch this one because you picked this one.
Yeah, because it's really nude. And,
so you need to give it a bit. You'd definitely need a lip line with that one now. That was up here. It's very orange, this one.
What's that one? Oh, that is very orange
as well.
Yeah, I'm not mad about that.
Sweetie. But see the way it it's nearly like, I don't know what that is. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a bit orange.
It wears off weird. Like, see the way they smudge in? That just loses all the colour.
Jenna's a pro with this, guys. You need to follow her on Instagram as well. So I keep picking up the ones that I already own because I like them. Yeah. Honey Love.
Drawn to the same ones. What about
Whirl? I have that.
In it.
Yeah, because I love creme cup. So
no, that's that weird finish.
There's Mare. I have that one as well. Creme cup.
A lot of them be duplicate. Snob.
I have Snob.
Love that.
Actually, I'm decluttering that. So guys, do you know I was saying like about the red label? Like this is exactly what it does.
So Viva Glamour is the Max charity lipstick. So all the proceeds go to charity. So if you are getting your Bachelor, you can't actually get these on it, unfortunately, because it is their charity lipstick. But it's been going for a long time. They have a lot of people representing the Viva Glam lipsticks, lots of famous people. I'm trying to think when I was on the counter who
Lady Gaga.
Even before that,
Nicki Minaj did one.
Yeah, Marilyn Manson.
Oh, did Marilyn Manson?
Yeah.
Didn't know that. There you go. You learn something new every day.
Oh my god, Raquel Welch.
Oh, Raquel Welch. She does wigs.
I always remember her Viva Glam line or her line. So it was like tigery and stuff. It was really cool.
So there you go, that's why you can't buy them, but it's really good like that they give all the proceeds. Currently on the hunt for chocolate covered Brazil nuts. It's not going well. We're in this Marks and Spencer's aisle.
I already checked Dunn's and they don't have any. They have these.
Oh, what are these?
Milk chocolate Brazils. But I feel like this is the only option.
Yeah, there's. I don't think we're getting anywhere else. No, they're all crisps. What about in these? No. No, none of them have anything covered.
What do I do? Like just 2 boxes of these?
I think so.
I think so.
I don't know. I'm not very helpful. Will she like them?
Well, they're nuts. They're just not in the box I wanted.
Okay. So we're having a pit stop We're in the bagel bar, bagel factory, and we're just having something to eat whilst we regroup and decide what
I'm winning.
Jenna's like filling her face right now. And then we're regrouping, seeing what presents we've left to get. I have Paddy sorted, which I'm delighted with. His mum will be done by the end of today. His dad, my mum, my dad. Ollie's done. I've Jenna already done. And I have to get his brother something, and that's pretty much it. Then I'm done though. Very exciting stuff. So I'm currently I'm eating a turkey club melt, which has like just a lot of goodness in there, and there is spinach somewhere in there. There was spinach, and then obviously hunky dory sour cream and onion, and a bottle of Diet Coke. We're not been healthy at all today, guys. No siree, Bob.
Healthy seed bagel. It makes
Oh yeah, it makes all the difference.
so yummy. I'm starving.
Penny's now currently. I'm after getting Paddy's mum some jammies, so I have her sorted. I have a couple of other bits that I want to get her, obviously, but I have like the jammy thing sorted, and then I have a few other things to get in lunch, and then I'm done, finished, like no more shopping, because I am fed up of Christmas shopping. Jenna got us some cakes. Yes, she did. We got loads of cakes. I got red velvet. It's Christmas. So where are we going to next? Up and out.
We are done.
Thank God. Like, are you not so excited? I'm so I'm sorry.
My fucking eye out. I never brushed my eye test, god damn it.
You might need one now.
I know, yeah.
We're out of here, up on the lifts, and we're gonna, oh no, we're going to Starbucks. Will I go to the Starbucks outside?
Yeah.
We need
very warm in the shopping centre.
Yeah, it's a bit ridiculous.
We've already had to drop bags out of the car because, you know, you just can't carry this shit around.
And our jackets, because
Yeah.
it's just, no.
I swear we were going on a skiing holiday, the coats we had on us were sexy.
We're wearing teddy bear.
Yeah.
It really was, yeah.
It's starting to get a bit busier now. Can't wait to get out of here.
Yeah, and we're going to go home and have our coffee slices. Well, you're having a coffee slice, I'm having...
Or I might eat the toffee apple one.
No, she's having toffee apple, I'm having red velvet, and then we're going to get coffee in Starbucks, and then vegetate.
Yeah, girly chat, talk about the purchases, talk about everything we forgot to buy.
Yay!
We'll let you know.
So guys, I'm back in Paddy's now. I'm all ready to go. We're going to go and watch the new Jumanji movie in the cinema, so hopefully that's really good. I got all my shopping done, delighted with myself. And then I went back to Jenna's and we just had coffee and my red velvet cake. So I am leaving.
You talking to yourself again?
Yeah, I'm talking to myself. We're going right now. So hopefully this movie is better than the first one, Welcome to the Jungle, because I think it's supposed to be a little bit better, but we'll see. Okay, I really need to go. He's rushing. What's up, guys? I'm home. Well, I'm back in Paddy's, and we're just gonna curl up in bed right now. The movie was actually really good. I really enjoyed it. I preferred it to the first one. I wasn't crazy about the first one, as I kind of already mentioned, so I'm like in GI. I wasn't crazy about the first one. I really enjoyed the second one. I thought it was amazing. This weekend I'm going out as well with Ollie and a few of the girls, so I'm very much looking forward to that. Anyway guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Bye guys.